Your old kitchen. The Baba Chow. Who the hell has a couch in the kitchen? Ever. Memorable. Used to be an arcade. Black and white. Equal opportunity. 30s. Television in the kitchen. This room. Stella glasses. A few of those. Forget those. Where all the bones used to be. And that's the kitchen. The floor I put in myself. This is a chalkboard that Joe stole from a bar somehow. It's huge. Big ass hole. This girl fell through. It was hard. You can forget about that. And I did these dots. Kinda cool. The bathroom. The shelf up. The house. I have a model of the toilet. Nice. And there's a RH sticker on the toilet. So it's a must. With all my stuff, we already tore up the floor. It was gonna look dope, but we got around to it. An old ski over. Get out the way there. Across the street. There we go. Those guys. Clouds of craziness. A whole lot of shit. Mr. Joseph's room. Who was Chad's fake room at one time. And a shitload of Nike boxes. It was Paul's room. It was Joe's room. It was Jamie's room. It was Joe's room. A lot of rooms. That's where the mural used to be. Kind of sad I went over it, but I still have some pictures of it. It's me again. Hello, friends. Taking you on this tour. And go to the living room where we built the bar area. This was done. That was the Marat bar that he gave me because he owed me money. And we built that out of it. Mike's couch. Well, Stephen, right? And we go to my room, which is Chris's old room. Turned into mine, flat 2533. And Joseph helped me do the paintings in here. We did a little separation on the wall there. Nike SB rug. Thank you, Adam. Couldn't have done it without you. Morrison. No one owns more coats than me in the world. Friends that know me well know that spot up there. I won't talk about it, but if you know me, you know what that spot is. And this poster Jamie gave me, I always thought it kind of looked like me in this room, DJing. That band, whatever happened to them. Anyway, you know, beautiful woodwork in this room. I love the woodwork. I will miss it. So, a little mini fridge, brick area. Joseph showed me what's up with that. And helped me do all this stuff here. A little bed. Some more of my stuff that's going. And that's pretty much the tour. It was a pretty good memory. Remember he used to put that Champy's Reach? But let's see if I can actually get my face. Bye everyone from 479. It's been fun. It's been real. Has it been real fun? Yes, it has. And I'm trying to have more fun, so going on to another plateau in my life here. But this house will be missed dearly. I definitely will be missing it. So, anywho, time to go. I miss you, house.